Go on, Mark, you can do it. The snow's so high. Oh my goodness. We're trapped. We can't make it. The snow's too high. Look at this shit. Fucking nuts. Trying to walk through and it's up to my knees, man. It's too deep, Merc. We'll never survive, Jack. Never survive. Ooh, Mama's hand frozen. Hercules. Oh. He's like, I know where there's ground, Mom. Come on. Did you make it to the safe spot? Come on, baby. Let's go in before you get frostbite. Come on. All right. I fell in a hole. Go in front of me. Go on. Go on. You want me to go first? Okay, go. Okay. Let's go this way. Mama's boots are about to come off. Holy crap. Look at how high the snow is to the tree. I know the weight on the side over the tree bringing it down, but damn, that's some high snow. Holy crap. I can't see. I found the way home. Come on, Merc, I found the way home. Come on, buddy, go on. Shoosh. Shoosh, man. Gosh, that is some deep, high snow. Oh, okay, look. This is our walkway to get into the house. There are icicles. Go on, Mark, let's go. Come on, let's get in the house. I know you love the snow, but come on. Come on, crackhead. Go on. This is our deck. Maliciously covered in snow.
Come on, Mark.